Hello, hello! If you're curious about how Confluence works with Copilot from Microsoft 365, come join my colleague Pradeep as he gives us an early look at what's coming soon. Over to you, Pradeep.
Hi everyone, my name is Pradeep and I'm going to demo the Confluence plugin in Copilot for M365. Let's first look at how to access the Copilot app, which can be done through the Teams App Store. Once you open the Copilot app, on the bottom right you will find a plugin store. In this store, you will need to turn on the Confluence Cloud plugin so that you can start using it. Now let's say I'm a product manager for APIs that we are building for one of our products, and all the documentation is managed in Confluence. I can now use Copilot to search these documents easily. Let's start with a simple prompt. Find me all Confluence Cloud docs related to API. This is great. Copilot gives me a list of all Confluence documents related to my API projects and links that will take me directly to my Confluence document itself. Alright, now let's look at a slightly different prompt. What is the location of the Confluence Cloud Doc API architecture? Confluence gives me the link that will take me to my document about API architecture. I'm now asking Copilot, when was the Confluence Cloud doc about API OKR last updated? I see that the last update was made 6 hours ago by me. Seems like no one else has updated the doc since. Cool. Now I'm going to ask Copilot a slightly more complex question. Show me all Confluence Cloud docs related to API and modified by me recently. This is perfect. I can see all the recently modified documents I've been working on. In my next prompt, I want to know whether any comments on the Confluence Cloud doc API OKR. Great, looks like someone left a comment on my API OKR document. So there you go, and I'm excited for all of you to start using the Confluence plugin in Copilot for M365. Thank you.
Thanks, Pradeep. And everyone, thanks for watching. Remember, plugins are available for all tenants with Copilot from Microsoft 365 as of March 1st, so be sure to check out the Works with Copilot section of your App Store for more goodness coming your way. If you liked this video and want to see more of it, please be sure to hit like and subscribe and let us know in the comments. And I hope to see you again soon.